Hi, good to see you here. I'm Karen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a meditation bracelet with clear quartz, mantra bead. Also announce the winner of my previous video about how to make tiger's eye bracelets with clasp. I'm so excited because the bracelet is really cool and the winner goes to kingstarowner. Congratulations and thank you for your comment. Sharing is caring, I like that. I dare to share, I dare to receive good and bad feedbacks from all of you. So to me, sharing is more than caring. I grow from sharing. Hi kingstarowner, I will leave you a message later. To my other subscribers, don't be disappointed not getting the bracelets this time. I promise to interact with you in my next tutoring video. Alright, let's get back to the subject. The silver bead I'm going to use in this bracelet is the 6 symbols of ancient Buddha chanting "Om Mani Padme Hum." Om Mani Padme Hum, meaning internal meditation to make peace in your mind, strengthen your body, and explore your wisdom. I like to study the theories of Buddhism even though I'm not a Buddhist. With the 6 symbol mantra, it will always remind you that you were born with talent and a niche. Use the best out of it and be a better you. If you are interested in healing stones and making DIY jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Clear quartz, the king of all crystals. The lights from clear quartz represents the light of Mother. All energies are converted from this white light, the best energy of the universe. There's a saying, as long as you gain the power of white light, you can achieve what you wish. The transparency and clarity of clear quartz, representing balance and perfection. Among all the crystals, the energies of clear quartz is the most stable and pure. It is hardly affected by other forces, and it could always provide you consistent and stable energy. Clear quartz is associated with your crown chakra. It could help purify your bodies and minds by the high vibration frequency and could help you align with your highest self and live at your potential. So when your mind is clear and stable, it will be easier for you to know what you want for your life, a purpose in your life, and how you are going to make it happen. So clear quartz is the crystal that could support you in creating a vision of your life. And clear quartz is the best crystal for everyone at any ages. Why I mention it? Because not all crystals and healing stones are suitable for children or elderly, because some of them are too powerful or strong to handle. You still remember how to tie this knot? And we tie it twice. Make sure it's secure, and we hide the knot in the bead hole, and it's done. Use your imagination and create your own version. By the way, I'm visiting my vendors this weekend. Let's keep in touch. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.